Open System Interconnection Model. So what is OSI model? Open System Interconnection Model is developed by the International Standards Organization or the ISO, which describes the flow of the information from one computer to another. Do you know that the OSI model has 7 layers? Well, yes. So these are the 7 layers of the OSI model: application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. So the physical layer is the first layer in OSI model. In physical layer, all the physical connectivity of a network, such as connectivity of devices using wires, takes place. It also converts data into bits and forward it to the data link layer. Devices work under this layer are hub, repeaters, and cables. Datagrams at physical layer are called bits. Next is the data link layer, which is the second layer of the OSI model. It provides connection between hosts on the same network. It converts bits into frames and forward it to the network layer. This layer is responsible for framing, physical addressing, flow control, error control, and access control. Devices works under this layer are switch, bridge, and network interface card. Datagram at this layer is called frames. Network layer is the third layer in OSI model. It provides connection between hosts on different networks. It converts the frames into packets and forward it to the transport layer. This layer is responsible for logical addressing and routing. Devices works under this layer are router and router. Protocols used under this network are IPv4, IPv6, and Internet Control Message Protocol or the ICMP. Datagram at network layer is called packets. Transport layer is the fourth layer of OSI model. It converts packets into segment and forward it to the session layer. This layer is responsible for segmentation, connection control, flow control, and error control. Protocol works under this layer are TCP and UDP. Datagrams at transport layer is called segments. Session layer is the fifth layer of OSI model. It is responsible for dialogue control and synchronization. This layer also controls duplexing, termination, and restart. Protocols works under this layer are TCP and RTP. Presentation layer is the sixth layer of OSI model. This layer is responsible for translation, encryption, and compression. Protocol works under this layer is Secure Socket Layer or the SSL. Application layer is the last layer of OSI model. This layer is the only layer where user can directly interact with the data. This layer provides user interface and support services such as mail access, file transfer, browsing internet, remote desktop connection. Protocol works under this layer are FTP, Telnet, DHCP, HTTP, DNS, POP3, and SMTP.